Laundry is a nightmare. Always was, always will be. But with a little help from devices like clothes dryers, things suddenly become less troublesome. Now, the best options out there, they are amazing. They have advanced moisture sensors to avoid over-drying. They have airflow systems made for faster results. They are loaded with well-built drums that prevent damage to delicate items. It's the whole show. Before we proceed to our top picks, make sure to use our links to land the latest discount for every product we talk about here. Let's get going. Number 5. Whirlpool WED8127LC. Best for home use. Tackling laundry can feel like a never-ending chore, especially when a dryer falls short. Whirlpool's WED8127LC changes that by delivering impressive performance tailored for home use. Thoughtful features make this one such a fine choice for managing everyday laundry needs, whether handling large loads or delicate items. One of its standout qualities is the 7.4 cubic foot capacity. It comfortably handles bulky items, comforters, piles of towels, all without any need for multiple cycles. Advanced moisture sensing technology takes this further by preventing over-drying. The system adjusts each cycle using 3 sensors that track moisture and temperature, saving time and extending fabric life. Energy efficiency gets a boost with EcoBoost. This feature lowers heat, but makes the cycle just a bit longer. For busy households, the steam refresh cycle is just amazing too. It smooths out wrinkles to refresh clothes with a quick heat and moisture application. It makes outfits ready to wear without any need for another wash. These additions set the WED8127LC apart from dryers that stick to more basic functionality. The control panel adds loads of versatility with up to 35 customizable cycle combinations. You're not stuck with presets. You can adjust everything for specific fabrics. Extra features like Wrinkle Shield Plus keep freshly dried clothes smooth, while the Static Reduce option removes static cling. These subtle but useful touches give the dryer an edge in convenience. Smart technology pairs with user-friendly controls for a modern approach to home appliances. The Whirlpool app connects the dryer to users' devices, allowing cycle control and monitoring from another room. Assigning tasks or adjusting settings remotely adds flexibility, a welcome tool for households with busy schedules. We like this one a lot. Number 4. GE Profile PFD87ESPVRS. Best for pet owners. Handling pet hair and odors on laundry can feel like an uphill battle. A high-quality dryer, such as the GE Profile PFD87ESPVRS, provides targeted solutions that simplify this task. Packed with features that cater to households with pets, this dryer offers more than just the basics by combining practicality with innovation. The steam sanitize cycle goes beyond standard dry functions. It eliminates odors, which makes it ideal for pet blankets. Many standard dryers miss this level of sanitization, which leaves them less equipped to manage these specific challenges. Wrinkle Care adds to its appeal because it prevents creases in items like delicate fabrics, a helpful touch when laundry piles up. Static Reduction also addresses a frequent issue for pet owners. With the static neutralized, it enables an easier removal of embedded fur from clothing. Most dryers without such features will leave you to struggle with stubborn lint rollers. For more precision, the Damp Alert is a standout. It notifies users when items reach the right level of moisture, protecting delicate pet accessories from over-drying. Paired with Quick Dry, which handles small loads efficiently, the dryer adapts to unpredictable laundry needs often sparked by pet-related messes. GE's built-in Wi-Fi functionality makes operation effortless. You can control the dryer remotely through your smartphone, a helpful tool for busy pet owners who need flexibility. The unit's reversible door and flexible venting further enhance its usability because it fits different laundry room layouts like a champ. This is just a quality product. All we can do is recommend it. Number 3. Maytag MED7230HW. Best for ease of use. Laundry shouldn't feel overwhelming or complicated. A well-designed dryer like the Maytag MED7230HW eliminates unnecessary stress with features that prioritize ease of use. Built with both convenience and durability, it handles daily laundry tasks while removing common frustrations. Managing larger loads becomes simpler with its 7.4 cubic foot drum capacity. Comforters, heavy fabrics, and laundry piles all fit easily without the need for multiple cycles. The extra power button adds heat and extends drying time when needed, addressing the challenge of thick fabrics that other dryers often leave damp. This brings an advantage over competitors that lack similar flexibility. Drying performance is fine-tuned with advanced moisture sensing technology. By monitoring moisture levels and temperature, it avoids over-drying, which saves time and protects fabrics. Standard dryers often adopt a single approach that doesn't match the specific needs of different loads. This added precision makes the Maytag stand out. Additional features like the wrinkle prevent option with steam make laundry less of a chore. Steam with gentle tumbles keeps clothes fresh long after a cycle ends, which is perfect if you want to keep wrinkles out of forgotten loads. The reduce static option also takes care of clinging, which makes clothes easier to handle. These thoughtful additions provide convenience that matches modern living. The hamper door comes as a practical detail. The machine lets clothes rest on a sturdy drop-down surface while you unload them. That eliminates any need for you to juggle piles of laundry. This smart design shows an attention to detail that competing dryers sometimes overlook. Smart capabilities bring even more convenience to the table. The Maytag app allows users to remotely control and monitor the dryer, making it possible to adjust or start a cycle while away from home. Families can also use task assignment features to avoid any miscommunication about laundry responsibilities. An easy thumbs up from here, guys. Number 2. Samsung DVE45B6300P. Amazing value. Getting great performance without overspending feels rare in appliances. The Samsung DVE45B6300P delivers precisely that. Every feature speaks to practicality and long-term savings, which gives families more value with less hassle. The large 7.5 cubic foot capacity is a major benefit. It easily handles comforters, bulky loads, or several outfits in one go. Many dryers in this price range offer smaller drums, which leaves you to juggle several cycles, and nobody really wants that. With this model, fewer loads means more time for other, bigger priorities. Efficiency is another strength, especially with sensor dry. This feature adjusts the cycle's length and heat based on remaining moisture. It keeps clothes from being overexposed to heat, which saves energy and reduces wear on fabrics. Compared to dryers that operate on fixed times, this one offers clear electricity savings paired with better fabric care. Samsung's Steam Sanitize Plus feature brings extra value for busy families. Wrinkles, odors, and allergens don't stand a chance. It's ideal for refreshing clothes after storage or tackling pollen and pet dander stuck in fabrics. Far too many other options in this category rarely combine steam and sanitization effectively. A reversible door improves flexibility during installation. Whether you're left-handed or dealing with tight laundry areas, this feature adapts to your space. Many similarly priced models lack this level of thoughtful design. Additionally, the built-in drum light adds convenience because it illuminates smaller items like socks that might otherwise go unnoticed. Smart connectivity enhances everyday usability further. Using a compatible app, it's easy to control the dryer remotely or receive alerts when a cycle ends. Coupled with a lint filter indicator that reminds you to clean the filter in time, these details make maintenance simple and stress-free. For the listed price, you just can't beat this one. Number 1. LG DLEX 8600BE. Best overall. Tackling laundry day often depends on having a machine that does more than just dry clothes. The LG DLEX 8600BE sets itself apart by combining smart technology, versatility, and impressive capacity to make it the best overall choice for most households. Fitting a king-size comforter in one load becomes possible thanks to its large 7.3 cubic foot drum. For families handling weekly piles of laundry, this eliminates extra cycles that smaller standard dryers require. Caring for your clothes doesn't rely on guesswork with this model. Built-in intelligence analyzes the type of fabric and load size, automatically selecting the right settings. Unlike other dryers that need manual adjustments, this one protects clothes from damage while still drying them thoroughly. Wrinkle management solutions multiply here. The wrinkle-free cycle feature keeps fabric smooth by tumbling periodically after the cycle ends, while Turbo Steam technology acts fast, refreshing garments and erasing creases in minutes. Quick, effective options like these are rarely seen in similar models. Smart technology adds convenience to the experience. The ThinQ app lets you manage cycles remotely, whether at home or on the go. Adjusting drying times, getting end-of-cycle alerts, or setting customized programs becomes easy and seamless. Few dryers at this price point match the level of control found here. Safety and maintenance are addressed with advanced indicators, which alert users when filters need a clean. This proactive feature enhances dryer efficiency. It also prolongs its lifespan, not to mention how it helps prevent lint buildup issues that can always lead to costly repairs. Energy efficiency is another area where it excels. Operating with 20% less energy than the average dryer, its ENERGY STAR certification saves money without any compromise in the performance department whatsoever. When we put it up against the less efficient options on the market, the cost savings over time become a major advantage. Even small features like the reversible door reflect clever design choices. Whether working with limited space or unconventional laundry layouts, this adaptability ensures easy integration into any home. You wanted the best, you got it. That would be all for today, guys. We hoped this helped. And if it did, how about liking the video and subscribing to the channel? Have a good one and keep it valid.